YouTube. In this video, I will show you how to multiply any number that ends in 5 by any other number that ends in 5. To start out, I'll show you how to multiply numbers such as 5, 15, 25, 35, up to 95 by themselves. And then in the next step, I will show you how to multiply just any number that ends in 5 by any other number that ends in 5. To start out, I will show you the process. And we'll start out with 15 times 15, because I assume that you know that 5 times 5 is 25. Now, when we're dealing with 15 times 15, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get rid of the 5 on the first 15, so it's just 1, and you're going to go up one tens place, so it's going to be 2. So 15 times 15, it's going to be 1 times 2, which of course is 2 plus 25. So it's 2 plus the 25, 225. It's really that simple. So just to show you another one, if that was unclear, 25 times 25, we're going to get rid of the 5 here, so it's just 2. We're going to go up one tens place from the 2, so it's 3. So 2 times 3, and then we're going to always add 25. So it's 625 equals 625. So the same for 35 times 35. Get rid of the 5, go up 1. 3 times 4 is 12, add 25 is 1225. And as you can see, this is going to work all the way down to 95, and it continues to work above that, but I'm just going to stop at 95 for simplicity's sake. So just another one, for example, would be 65 times 65. You're just going to do the 6, because you got rid of the 5, go up 1, 6 times 7, which is 42. Add the 25, 4225. And this works even farther down. 95 times 95, it's going to be, get rid of the 5, 9, go up 1, 10. 9 times 10 is 90, plus 25, 90, 25. It's that simple. Now we're going to get a little bit harder. What we're going to do now is work with random numbers that end in 5. So we'll do 25 times 15. So to do this, you're going to have to be able to memorize stuff, not memorize, but keep some numbers in your head. So for 25 times 15, what you're going to want to do is you're going to get rid of the 5 and go up 1, and then go up 1 and get rid of the 5. So for example, 25 times 15, get rid of the 5, go up 1 is 2 times 2, plus, as I said, now we go up 1 and get rid of the 5. So first you get rid of the 5 and go up 1, then you go up 1 and get rid of the 5. So 2 times 2, because we went up 5, is 4, plus 1 up 1, got rid of the 5. So 4 plus 3 is 7. And then now we're going to have to divide it by 2 to get the average of these two. So 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. And then we're going to be adding 25. And in this case, it's going to be actually like 0.25, just for the way you're going to want to do it in your head. So we have 7 divided by 2, which is 3.5, plus 0.25 is 375. So now we go back to the hundredths place. It's not 3.75, it's 375. And just a good tip with this is when this number that we divided by 2, when we have to divide it, when it's an odd number like 7 or 13 or 15, this number is always going to end in 75. But if it's even, like 4, 8, 20 or whatever, it's going to be just ending in 25. So since it was odd, it ends in 75, and when it's even, it ends in 25. So we'll do another one, because I understand this can be a little complicated. We'll do 65 times 55. So we get rid of the 5, go up 1. So 6 times 6 is 36. And then we went up 1 and got rid of the 5. So 7 times 5 is 35. So we have to do 35 plus 36, which is 71, divided by 2, which is 30.5. Add the 25. Which is 71. So it's 35.5. Add the 25, 35.75. We'll do another one. 45 times 25. We go up 1 here. 4 times 3. Go up 1 here. 5 times 2. So 12 plus 10 is 22. Divided by 2 is 11. Add the 25. 1125. Next one. 75 times 95. So it's 7 times 1 more, which is 10. So 70 plus 1 more and that. So 8 times 9 is 72. So 70 plus 72 is 142. Divided by 2 is 71. Add the 25. And just to reiterate, since this was these two were even things that we divided by 2. Remember, it ends in 25. These two are odd. They end in 75. Another one, 65 times 95. So we do 6 times 1 more, which is 10. So 60. 1 more times that. So 60 plus 7 times 9, which is 63. So we have 163, which divided by 2. Sorry. 60 plus is 123, which divided by 2 is 61.5. Add the 25, 61.75. And then the last one, 85 times 35, 8 times 1 more, which is 4, and 1 more times that. So 8 times 4 is 32, and 9 times 3 is 27. So 32 plus 27 is 59, divided by 2 is 29.50. Add the 25, 29.75. So that's basically it. Using this method, you can multiply any two numbers that end in 5 in your head, and you can pretend that you're smart to your friends. Hope you enjoyed.